Let's enjoy this super delicious, luscious, tempting, gratifying fish burger. In Tagalog, isda, ISDA, for fish. Palaman, Palaman, for sandwich or burger, with our tomatoes, onions, mixed greens, strawberries, watermelon, blackberries, blueberries, and our asparagus, of course. This is my program, I'm excited. And our tea. Of course, we have the grapes, the apples, nectarines, peaches, tangerines, pineapples, and butternut, squash, avocados, and our Kobe, as I have shown in the previous video, and more super delicious fit for kings and queens food recipes of my beloved mom are in this gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats, and at her door. Yes, that's me speaking to you over the video. Juanita de Gutierrez, New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author of more than 15 books. One of them is here. You could find them all at my website, JGutierrez.com, Ex Libris, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, eBay, Etsy, and all bookstores globally. Let's enjoy my beloved mom's magnificent food recipes. We have fish burger, palaman, or fish fillet. This is just satisfyingly luscious and tempting. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. And we have sesame bread with blackberries, strawberries, parsley, asparagus, blueberries, and toppings with mustards and tomatoes, ketchup, and mixed greens, and watermelons, of course. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. This is so temptingly delicious, gratifying, nutritious, healthy for all of us. Yum. Napakasarap. Super delicious. Fit for kings and queens like you and me. Come on and eat. Yum. Enjoy.